Hello friends, today we are going to discuss chapter 4 of class 10 mathematics, that is quadratic equation. In this chapter we will discuss the three methods to solve a quadratic equation. The three methods are: number 1, solution of a quadratic equation by factorization; number 2, solution of a quadratic equation by completing square; number 3, solution of a quadratic equation by applying quadratic formula. First of all, we are going to learn how to solve a quadratic equation by factorization. That is, today we are going to solve exercise 4.2. So let us start our today's lesson. Today we are going to solve only the first 10 questions. First of all, we will multiply these two terms, the first term and this last term. And we have to mind one thing, the exponent of x is written in the decreasing order. That is, first of all, here is 2 power 2, and here is 1, and that is x equals 0. So we have to take the x with highest exponent and with the lowest exponent, that is first one, last one. So these two are to multiply. We will multiply these two in rough, that is x squared multiplied by minus 10. So the result we get here minus 10 x squared. This 10 we have to find the, you can say, prime factorization. Now you have to look for this one. Here is in the middle term, here is minus 3. So we have to get minus 3. So how can we get? Suppose 5 minus 2. How much we get? It is 3. If you write here minus and here plus, so plus minus opposite side numbers are subtracted. 5 minus 2, 3, and always sign of the greater number. That is 5 is greater, minus. So minus 3. So if you place here x, then we get minus 3x. So we can write minus 5x plus 2x in place of minus 3x. So here we write x squared. In place of minus 3x, we will write minus 5 plus 2x. Minus 5x plus 2x, and here is minus 10. And now our work is done. From the first two terms we will take common. We can take common x, then x plus x minus 5. Here we can take common plus 2, then again x minus 5 equals 0. So now we can take common x minus 5, and sorry, here remains x plus 2. X plus 2, it is multiplied sign, equals 0. Now we will write either this equal to 0 or this equal to 0, because the product of any two numbers, if we get the product is 0, then of course either of the two numbers need to be 0. So either this one will be equal to 0 or this one will be equal to 0. So at first we write either the first term, that is x minus 5 equals 0, or this one, or x plus 2 equals 0. So here we get x equals 5, and here x equals plus 2 goes that side, then it becomes minus 2. So the value of x is either 5 or minus 2. Now we are going to solve question number 2, that is 2x squared plus 6 minus 6, sorry, 2x squared plus x minus 6 equals 0. Again we take the first term, x with highest power, and the last one, x with lowest power, that is 2x squared multiplied by minus 6. So we will again do rough work. 2x squared minus into multiplied by minus 6. So the answer you get minus 12x squared. Again you take the numerical part, 12. Again you go 2 6 are 12, and again 2 3s are 6, 1 3s are 3. So now you have to get this plus x, this is plus 1x from this. So arrange it. So you can get plus 4 minus 3. So if you take 4 and this one 3, so plus 4 minus 3, then you get plus 1. And if you put here x, this is plus 1x. Okay, so we can write 4x minus 3x in place of plus 1x. So we are going to write it 2x squared plus 4x minus 3x so minus 6 equals 0. So from the first two terms we will take common, we can take common 2x, then it becomes x plus 2. Now you can take common minus 3, x plus 2. Now x plus 2, we can take common x plus 2, so here remains twice x, then here minus 3, this equals 0. Again we see here the same condition, the product of two terms is equal to 0, so either of the two must be equal to 0. So either x plus 2 equals 0, you can write here, or twice x minus 3 equals 0. Here x equals minus 2, and here twice x equals minus 3 goes that side, then becomes plus 3, and 2 comes down, so x equals 3 over 2. So we have got the two values of x, that is x equals minus 2 and x equals 3 by 2. And mind one thing, always we are going to get two values of unknown in a quadratic equation. Now we are going to solve question number 3, that is 2x squared plus 7x plus 5 root over 2 equals 0. So we will take the first term and the last term. So root over 2x squared times 5 root over 2. If you multiply root 2, it becomes 2 multiplied by 5 x squared. 2 multiplied by 5, you get 10 x squared. Now you do the prime factorization. So 10 you can get 2 5. And now you go for the possibilities to get here 7 plus 7. So you can write 2 and then plus 5. 2 plus 5 you get plus 7. And of course you can write here x. So now you can write 2x plus 5x in place of plus 7x. So we are going to do this. Root over 2x squared, so it is plus 2x plus 5x, plus 2x plus 5x. So now you will write this one, plus 5 root over 2 equals 0. So now we have to take common from the first two terms. So you can take common, here we can apply one trick. So 2 can be written as root over 2 squared. We will look here. 2 can be written as root and squared, so root over 2 squared. So if we assume this 2 as root over 2 squared, so here is 2 root 2 and here is 1 root 2. So 1 root 2 can be taken common, and we can take common x's, 1x. So root 2 gone, x gone, here remains x plus 1 root 2 gone, then another root 2 is here, x is gone. And now here it is very simple. In this case you can take common 5, so here is plus x plus root 2. You can see plus 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 5x 5x plus 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 5 times root 2, 5 root 2, then equals 0. Now we can take common from this term, we can take common x plus root over 2, and here x plus root over 2. We take common x plus root over 2. Here remains root 2x, then plus here 5. And again product of two terms is equal to 0, so then either of the two needs to be equal to 0. Either the first term, first expression x plus 2 root 2 equal to 0, or the second expression root over 2x plus 5 equals 0. So x equals plus root 2 goes that side, minus root 2, and in this case also root over 2x equals minus 5, plus 5 has gone that side, minus 5, and x equals minus 5. This root 2 is multiplied with x, so root 2 comes down. So these two are the answers of question number 2. Today we have discussed only 3 questions of question number 1. Tomorrow we will going to discuss the rest of the questions, inshallah. So for today, bye bye.